What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have a lot to go over, a lot to discuss, and a lot of important things to look at here. I don't even know where to begin. To start off, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as Solana and the S&P 500. And that is because you guys really liked our meme coin video that I posted in the afternoon. So this afternoon, we'll continue on from our discussion and talk about how Shiba Inu is destined to explode in the next couple of hours. Haven't even checked the charts yet. There's a good chance I might have already done so. But beyond that, we also need to look at these cryptocurrencies. And I'm quite annoyed because I wanted to let you guys in on a falling bull flag that was forming on Bitcoin's hourly. And I went to sleep. And when I woke up, obviously the breakout had already happened. So I'm quite annoyed that we hit it, although it is opening up other opportunities for buy-ins. And I'll explain more about that in a minute. But last night, or a couple hours ago, after I made the video here, I had drawn a beautiful bull flag formation here, falling lower high lower low pattern here, beautiful flag pole you can see right here, and this bull flag was destined to break out. It's typically a bullish sign textbook wise here, but unfortunately I went to sleep. You can see this is at 1 a.m. in the morning here, and I was out cold, so there was no opportunity to capitalize on this. Had I seen this close, that would have triggered a buy-in, and we would have moved up here and capitalize on this very aggressive short-term bull run here. But you can see, I know it's tiny, but a quick leverage off this very easy bull flag formation would have been perfect. It's just unfortunate because I was sleeping and I didn't have time to make this. But I just want to show you guys that. We'll go over that. Ethereum 2 forming some new ascending fractals here. We have XRP forming its own bull flag, kind of something we have to go over. And then the S&P 500 in some sort of ascending fractal. We're going to tweak the charts here, but all signs of potential breaks, booms, and swings in the very near future on a lot of these major cryptos. So yeah, I'm excited to go over that. Anywho's, I also really quickly want to let you guys know we are still doing our BidFi crypto TV Amazon gift card giveaway. If you guys want to win some free Amazon money gift card, it's $20, and you want to win some free BidFi merchandise like the shirt that I'm wearing, as well as some keychains, all you have to do is comment your favorite cryptocurrency down in the comment section below and make sure to smash the subscribe button. Literally those two things: subscribe, comment your favorite altcoin or cryptocurrency, blue chip, XRP, Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, Doge, whatever it is, comment it down below. We'll be doing the drawing and picking a winner on Sunday morning, so stay tuned, put it in your calendar. Sunday morning's episode, I'll be announcing the giveaway winner. And then we are also, lots of announcements. BidFi is also giving away $200 in free crypto. We'll talk about that. Well, yeah, that's just the update. And then also today's sponsor is Go Mining, which is super cool. So huge shout out to Go Mining for sponsoring today's episode. But with that being said, let's dive right into today's video. I want to give a huge shout out to Go Mining, a continued sponsor on the channel for today's episode. Now, as with all cryptocurrency projects and tokens, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, Go Mining is a pioneering platform that transforms the landscape of digital mining. Go Mining offers a new way of earning Bitcoin by avoiding the difficulties associated with purchasing and maintaining mining equipment. They have even introduced the concept of buying NFTs as a means to acquire a share of hash rate power already dedicated to Bitcoin mining, which is what I want to show you today. Simply by purchasing their NFT, you obtain a portion of the power of these real cryptocurrency mining machines. So it is time to check on our Go Mining digital NFT that earns me profit every single day passively. As you guys know, we purchased this NFT about a week and a half to almost 2 weeks ago here. You can see it right here. We have 1 terahash in computing power and a 35 watt to terahash energy efficiency here. We only spent like 25-30 bucks on it, so obviously it's not going to be earning, a ton. This is no get rich quick. That's kind of the whole point to these, is not to get rich quick. This is a long-term passive play. Investing, making money takes time. It is not a quick get in, get out thing. That's extremely risky. And I like passive, low risk investments like Go Mining here. And you can see every single day since the beginning, we've been earning profit. Not a lot. I did the math. This bank total rewards of Bitcoin only comes out to about 80 cents, but obviously you can change that percentage-wise by adding, power to it or purchasing a more expensive miner with more terahash, and you'll be able to earn more profit. But the fact is, without saying the most important part, it has been paying quite consistently every single day. And that's what I like to see, especially in this type of market. Passive aggressive plays at the end of it. This is a long-term game that we're playing here. But with that being said, if you want more information and to pick up your own NFT, make sure to check out Go Mining. I linked them down in the description below. And let's jump back into the technical analysis. So guys, diving back into everything here, we made 2 videos yesterday. You guys really liked it. So we're definitely going to keep this up here. We talked about the fact that XRP had just recently exploded to the upside. You guys wanted to know if there's still an opportunity to buy in. We're going to continue to cover that in today's video here. But you guys did really well to this. And then you guys, I asked you, do you want to see any other cryptocurrencies reviewed? And you guys said, yeah, we want to see the meme coins reviewed. So I said, okay, great idea. We'll do that. So we did make a video on Floki, Doge, and Shiba, and we're going to continue that on today, which is exciting. Hopefully you guys are excited about that too. But we're going to make a video on this later on in the afternoon, and you can see the beautiful symmetrical triangle that's forming on SHIB. I'm very excited to go over all of that. You can see on the current coin market cap, quick refresh reveals we're up 2.7. We're at 2.74 trillion, up 1%. Yet again, keep in the back of your mind, we are at a 90 on the Fear and Greed Index. It is going to be soon that we start to see that big bucket dump water on all of our heads and the markets correct quite quickly to the downside here. Literally it's like shooting fish in a barrel here. It's that easy. You can see Bitcoin's up 10%. Ethereum's up 3.5%. BNB's up 40%, Solana's up 20%, XRP's up almost 13% here, Avalanche 35%, Shiba is down, but Toncoin up 65%. Like everything is doing so incredibly well in this market here. It is insane the time that we are in. This is the bullish year that we are seeing, and it's very nice that this is happening all at once, really starting off this new year with a bang here. So I want to focus on XRP for my dedicated followers. Then we'll look at Solana and then Ethereum and Bitcoin and the S&P. Now, there are some big trades on these other altcoins. So if you're just here to watch XRP, I urge you to look at these other cryptocurrencies as they might help get you in on a quick trade. So just keep that in the back of your mind. Now, looking at XRP here, you can see we've kind of had an interesting kind of pattern drawn. I was kind of tracking some sort of bull flag like this, and I still think this was pretty accurate on the hourly charts here. It's pretty wonky looking. I mean, can I extend this here? I don't think this makes sense. This is pretty much how accurate it gets. We have a beautiful break to the upside here. We capitalized off this run to the upside. If you guys know, back in the past here, we were tracking this kind of symmetrical triangle or bear flag, filling this gap in here. We completed it, and we were getting stuck in between the price ceiling as well as the moving averages here. Decision had to be made, and then pop goes a weasel. We exploded to the upside here, and then we formed what appeared to be a bull flag. We had a flag pull up, forming a new kind of technical indicator. This was some sort of bull flag to the downside here, which looks good. We broke out of it. You could see that happened, but we got rejected immediately off major resistance at 70 cents, pretty much on the dot here. 70 cents was the price to beat. We weren't able to do that, and now we're starting to float back to the downside here, which again is totally normal. Something you guys have to consider is this is the hourly chart. Not only is this an extremely aggressive trade nonetheless, but it's also the hourly chart. We have to kind of scale back just a little bit, and you'll start to see that this is totally normal here. As I've said in yesterday's episode, I'm going to actually scale it back even further to the daily where you'll get a better picture here. Long term, where we were actually inside a beautiful bull flag here that we've been tracking for months now, literally almost or over a year. We've noticed that XRP is consistent with its bull flags that it has been forming here since 2023, since January of 2023. So over a year now, year in like 2 or 3 months, we have formed bull flags. You can see here's number one, clearly drawn, is a flag pull, followed by a flag down, and then the breakout. Look at how consistent this pattern is. It is it's been historically proven. Now it's a great, tool to use. It's in our arsenal for capitalizing off these runs here. But here's number 5. We've already had 4 historically proven bull flag breakouts here, and we were literally showing the signs of a number 5 bull flag. It walks like a duck. If it quacks like a duck, it's probably a duck, and you can see that's what we had to deal with. I mean, you can't argue or disagree that this is not a bull flag. As we said before, here was a massive bull flag forming, taking a very long turn on XRP's daily here. We know that. This was an extremely long bull flag, much longer than the ones that we've had in the past, and that's okay because that typically means that we're going to have a bigger run. This pretty much took 113 days of bull flag consolidation for this flag to form. However, we broke out. And a lot of you guys are very funny too, saying, oh, we broke out 10 cents. Like, calm down. This is 10 cents on a 60-cent coin. That's 1/6 of the current price of the coin. It's like a 30% run, 20% run. If 20% with leverage is not enough for you, crypto ain't for you. It's literally that simple here. And it's funny, some of you guys comment some funny things, never happy with anything that happens in the market here, but look from the breakout. You can't tell me that this is not a bull flag breakout here, that this is not exactly what we had predicted. Here is the bull flag that we were tracking. I make videos every day. It sounds repetitive. It can get confusing and it can get boring. I understand that, but I make these videos every day. When you take every now and then, we scale out and you look at the bigger picture here, and you can see, this is 113 videos all in this little circle here. You got to consider this, 113 videos. Things get repeated a few times here, but again, we confirmed the breakout. We broke outside of this major resistance here and we are swinging up. This is a 33% rally that has continued and it's probably going to go higher, which you guys need to understand. But this is what we anticipated. The second we had that confirmation right here back on February 27th with that closure above resistance, and then not only did we have that, we then reconfirmed it on the 29th when we confirmed closure above the price ceiling here. We knew that that was an opportunity to buy in because this would be continuing the bull flag breakout. Here it is. Here is it forming. Even beyond that, we were tracking on the relative strength indicator. There was a downtrend like this, and we knew if we were to break through the downtrend, that would also cause the market to rally. Well, that's exactly what happened. Then now we're forming an ascending fractal here. We bottomed off, nowhere to go but up. You can see here we're creating this higher low, higher high movement here, filling in the gap. We hit bottom again. We knew that we'd bounce off this and head to the upside, and that's exactly what's happening, heading higher yet again. But notice what is forming here, and this is what leads into the future of now. You can see here, looking at XRP, if I jump to the 4-hour charts here, you'll notice we're in an ascending fractal now. We've broken out of this, and we have a long-term play of healthy consolidation to the upside here. Look at what I just drew. I'm going to zoom in, give you guys a better picture. Maybe I'll stick with the daily. It might be a little clearer. Yeah, the daily is plenty fine for now. Notice that we've discovered a higher low bull flag. We are still bullish on this market, given that we are retesting overbought soon. We're still bullish, and the reason is because we are continuing to create higher lows. Each time XRP falls down, it's higher than the last time it fell down. So here we are again. So if I jump to the 4-hour now, you'll notice here that this first candle up was tracked. You can clearly tell we had the ascending fractal, descending fractal, sorry, filling in the gap here. We saw the confirmation closure right here, breakout to the upside. Target was the top of this ascending fractal here, which we've hit consistently. Look at how many times we've used this as a means of resistance here. So because we broke out, we knew target would be right here. That's where we hit. This second candle of green was FOMO, people missing out. And you can see we've already retraced right back down to the neutral area and our price ceiling, our price target that we called. Now, the next step within this market is consolidation. Your profits would have been made on this 4-hour candle here. I've already said that. When we retested 70 to 72 cents, sell, sell, sell. That's what I did. Now we're correcting here. We discovered a bull flag formation, kind of. It doesn't look that good on the 4-hour charts, which is cool. That's totally fine with me. I want to know maybe if I can scale this out more. Either way, we knew correction was going to come. This actually looks plenty fine to me as well. I don't think it's that accurate here, but plenty fine to me. I'm actually going to just delete it because I don't think it's that necessary. There's definitely some sort of consolidation. Mainly the main focus is it's just been rejection ever since we fell, the same day we broke out on the 12th we fell. We have had no luck breaking through price ceiling at 70 cents. It is very much so confirmed. And you can see this correction is already starting. So what I plan on doing is shorting this actually today to the downside here, because as you can see, we fill this gap in and we're already starting to fall as I'm recording this video. But the next step is for this to fall back down. We're overbought, not that low, excuse me, not what was supposed to happen. But you can see the next step would be to correct back down a moving average here. We are overbought, overextended. A healthy short is what's necessary now. We're just starting to breach below support here. There would have been a support here and a resistance here. We broke through that bottom support, that price floor. Now we're starting to send it downwards. I think we're going to be heading back down to here. It's healthy and it's necessary because check it out again. We have the price ceilings up top. And now we have the bottom supports, the floor. So it is consistent that the next target would be closer to 65 cents, higher than the previous one here, which means I'm going to enter a short position right after this video on XRP. The expectation is correction here. Now, it's not just XRP. Now, obviously, too, we short everything on BidFi. Keep that in mind. BidFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that we like to use here on the channel. BidFi is where we short, buy long, create stop losses, take profits, how we can get free stuff and free rewards. So go get your $200, sign up. It's completely free. Anywho, moving forward from that, we're looking at all these other cryptos like Solana, which also has a bearish indicator. Yes, I tweaked this slightly. You can see that we are slowly getting constricted in this, stairway to heaven here, but it is filling in the gap and we're getting tight. And a decision is going to have to be made. We broke out of this, but we did discuss and we started to notice that, hey, we're actually forming some sort of ascending closing fractal. And that typically could lead in a dump. So now what we're looking for is correction here to moving average. There's a very good chance everything is showing signs of bearish reversal here. I would not be surprised if we confirm closure probably below, I would play conservatively below 149, that we fall down to this moving average here, which again would be healthy because check it out. Look at this. This would be typical. We have been following, and I'll jump to the daily, this uptrend here. Check it out. We use this uptrend as a support. We trade on it. We always come back to it for a neutral play. We are overbought on the daily, so pullback down to here would be necessary, if not lower. But a pullback, just a healthy retracement is necessary for the health and longevity of Solana and XRP and a lot of these other cryptos. So shorts are going in a minute here. I also expect to see Ethereum, dip down as well. We're forming an ascending fractal. This typically also has a bearish bias. Textbook, good chance we're going to pull back down on this. And the same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's already sending it lower. Now, here's what I want to talk about as well with Bitcoin. Correction's already at place here. I'm going to scale this up. Check it out. We're still inside this. Look, there's still inside the ascending fractal here, filling in the gap. I wish I got in on the bull flag earlier here. You can clearly tell this was a bull flag forming, and then we broke out of it to the upside, which was very easy to call. Problem now is, again, same thing like Ethereum and these other cryptos. We have these ascending fractals. I think it was like, maybe XRP, but Ethereum's doing it too. But Bitcoin has these ascending fractals, and we typically bounce off support and resistance. This is the hourly charts, but you can clearly tell we have multiple points of retest and resistance here. We have 4 on this price ceiling and 3 on the floor. The next step is a healthy correction down to moving average here, which is the short that's currently at place. So everything is screaming correction. Everything is screaming dip to the downside here. XRP's we're definitely going to capitalize off a dump. I'm going to do that on BidFi right after today's video. But same thing. I would also think S&P is ready and willing to dip lower. I've already drawn it out. We've completed up. I made this prediction right here. And we did all this, which is pretty much right on track with what I predicted here. The next step is to break out of it. This is not healthy. This stair-stepping pattern is not going to last, and it is going to break, and it is going to dip us down a moving average. It is only a matter of time. So keep this all in mind. But, feel free to let me know your comments down in the comment section below. Remember, enter the giveaway. Literally comment your favorite crypto, subscribe, and then make sure to go claim your free $200 on BidFi ASAP. With that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and join us in the afternoon for our meme coin video. Peace.